Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling the LG washing machine UE error code, specifically for 2025 models. If you've ever seen that frustrating UE flashing on your screen, you're not alone. It's one of the most common errors, and we're here to help you fix it quickly. First off, what exactly is the UE error? It stands for unbalanced error, which means your washing machine has detected that the load inside isn't evenly distributed. This can cause excessive vibration, noise, or even stop the cycle altogether to prevent damage. LG introduced some smart updates in their 2025 lineup, so this error might pop up more often if the sensors are extra sensitive. So, why does this happen? There are a few common culprits. It could be as simple as an uneven load of laundry. Think throwing in a bunch of heavy towels on one side. Overloading the machine is another big no-no, as it prevents clothes from moving freely. Other causes might include a machine that's not level on the floor, worn-out shock absorbers, or even a faulty sensor. Don't worry. Most of these are easy to fix at home. Let's dive into troubleshooting. Step 1. Pause the cycle and open the door. Redistribute the clothes evenly. Make sure heavier items are balanced around the drum. If your machine is overloaded, remove some items and try again. Next, check if the washer is level. Grab a spirit level, adjust the feet, and ensure it's stable. For 2025 models, you can try a reset by unplugging the machine for a few minutes, then plugging it back in and restarting the cycle. If that doesn't work, it might be time for deeper checks. Inspect the drum for any foreign objects like coins or buttons that could be throwing things off balance. If you're handy, you could look into the shock absorbers or suspension springs, but if you're unsure, call a professional to avoid voiding your warranty. To prevent the UE error in the future, always load your washer properly. Aim for about 80% capacity and mix light and heavy items. Regular maintenance, like cleaning the filters and keeping the machine level, goes a long way. There you have it. You've now got the tools to conquer that UE error and get your laundry day back on track. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Word count: 385.